Okay, so this is our end results here. This is what I ended up with. It's just a little tiny thing, but I'm proud of myself for taking a chance in making Glycerin. At least I know now that I can do mine if I ever need to. You know, proud of myself for that. So I love what I did, and I'm so glad. So at least now I have an idea of how I can make my own Glycerin, because like I use Glycerin in my daily beauty routine, and Glycerin acts as a humectant. It helps minimize water loss due to its evaporation to oil skin, and help in keeping skin hydration always. So it's one of the things that it's much needed in our skincare products. So, but the only thing I would advise you is that you should not use a Glycerin on its own. You should always mix it up with something. You should mix it up with your oils, mix it up with your toners, or mix it up in your lotions before you go ahead and apply them. One thing about Glycerin that you do not want to do is you don't want to use it by itself. Like I said, never use it too much, because it tends to draws dust and pollution to the skin. So you want to be careful because of its stickiness. Sorry guys, sorry, I swallowed my saliva. So it attracts dust and pollution to the skin, so you want to be aware of that. It's a good thing to use it, but like I'm saying, this is the downside of it. So you want to know, at least you want to be aware of that, so you would minimize or how you use it. But one thing I'll assure you is that I really love using Glycerin, and I'm proud of myself for taking a chance in making this product today. Thank you guys so much. Like I said earlier on in the beginning of this video, I am super excited. I thank you guys so much for being by my side. I know that I'm not all the best on YouTube, but you guys stand by me. You've shown me that there's love out there, and I appreciate that. So I thank you guys so much for taking a chance with me. And also, I don't want to forget, this is what I use in the remainder of the Glycerin. What I squeeze the soap out, I'm going to use this as a soap. So this is my soap mode. I'm going to actually use this as a soap. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate all your help, and I thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and please give my video a thumbs up. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Bye bye.